Hello guys, hope you guys are doing well. Just give me some moments so people can join. Hello guys, just give me some moment. Hello. Let's start. Okay. Yesterday, Bitcoin was at my green box. I have removed the green box. So the green box was here. So Bitcoin pumped up here. I did not grab the trade because I want to grab the trade on retest. So when I grab the trade at this place, okay, from 590 this area, okay. I grab the trade and I book the profit here, okay. And after that, if I make it 15-minute chart, okay, what I have done, uh, I have long day again here, okay, and just booked here. So I thought it was going to be rejected, but it has some kind of pump, and it was expected because this kind of pattern basically is this kind of pattern basically is Adam Eve pattern, okay, that called Adam Eve pattern. So what is the possibility for now for Bitcoin? Okay, let me tell you, the possibilities is the possibilities are, this is the green line. I have drawn it before it came to this range, okay. When it was there, just rejected, I started to think this kind of doodle can happen for Bitcoin. What we can see this here a consolidation from this range, and go up from this area, okay. This kind of movement, and just we can long from this area, okay. We can long from this area. Another thing, it is possible that it can directly go to this resistance, okay, the 22,700 900 range, and then it can drop from that area. So it can also drop from this area, so it will be like easier for the market maker to grab some liquidity from the market, okay. So this is the possibilities for Bitcoin right now, and mm, this is the possibilities for Bitcoin right now, okay. And the another thing is, then after this kind of like pump and dump, it can go to this range, okay. Let me make it 1 hour chart so it will be easier for me to showcase you guys. So this is the imbalance, this is the imbalance or liquidity or demand zone or supply zone, whatever you call it, okay. So that is a supply zone where people can try to start, where people can start to sell again, okay. So we can see, like, if DXY, I'm going to DXY after some minutes. So if DXY is going to upside, okay, then Bitcoin may start to take this kind of movement, and boom, okay. we can see this kind of movement for Bitcoin if DXY pumps. And if we make the chart little bit 4 hour chart, okay, so we are at this LPSY, okay, if this is the bearish part of Bitcoin, okay, we are at this area, okay, this LPCY, maybe no, I don't think like many people are trying to validate it, but I'm not like this kind of after this movement, I'm not sure about it. Okay, like after this movement, okay, it should get dropped from this area. After this movement, I'm not thinking that it is a wake distribution model is happening here in Bitcoin. Okay, so I'm not sure what they are trying to say. I'm just yeah, but like it is not the wake pattern, but it can pump or it can also drop. So let's see what happens. That is my expectation in long time frame. Okay, so this scenario has been invalidated. We are pumping right now from there, so I need to remove it. So what is we can see here in this chart, what we can see mm, what we can see this kind of movement. Just hold on. Okay. Okay. We can see like if there is any bearish part, we can see this kind of movement for Bitcoin. Okay, like we can see a liquidity graph from this range, and what will happen that it will go up and tuck, tuck, tuck. Okay, so we can see this kind of movement if there is any bearish possibilities for Bitcoin. Okay, right now I cannot find anything for this kind of bearish possibilities. So I will grab a long again. Right now I am waiting to for Bitcoin to consolidate this range, so I can just grab a long till 2300 23K, and then we can see what is going to happen. So there is probability that we can see a drop from 23K, but I'm not sure right now what is going to happen. Okay, and DXY is it's pumping, so it is obvious that when it will break this range 103.52, so we will see some kind of bearish scenario for crypto and stock. Let's see what the DXY takes us. Okay, so I am putting a alert here. If you guys have any queries about it, about the market and how to trade, just put a comment here. Okay, put a comment here, so I'm gonna reply you there. So so this is the thing. Okay, so I have uploaded a video about EMA line, maybe like exponential moving average line. Okay, you can see that in Binance. So that is very helpful to grab trades. Okay, so like if you check my last video, like just has been recorded from mobile, because EMA line is easier for me to read in mobile using Binance mobile application. Okay, so I prefer to use that. So I have uploaded a video, you guys can check it. So this is the possibilities for me right now happening. Okay, so just let me show you this possibility. I'm thinking for Bitcoin. So this is the possibilities, you guys. If you understand where you can long and short, you can be like it will be better for you to understand like when should you long and when should you short. Okay, so this kind of movement we can see for Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the possibility that we can directly go to 22,700 range and consolidate and bearish retest there some time to grab some liquidity, and after that we can just drop to 22,300 again, and then back to 23,000. It can happen in long time frame, in small time frame. Okay, so this is my expectation right now. And yeah, if I make it like 4 hour time frame chart, okay, if I make it 4 hour time frame chart, I can see that we're going to do the fifth leg as per my expectation. If you guys check my chart, so as per Elliott wave, we have done the third wave, okay, and we are going to do the fifth wave as per my expectation. This is the long time frame chart I am expecting. So if you guys check my screen, you will understand that what kind of a movement I am expecting. I was expecting that Bitcoin should pump here and go to 25 or 26 something else, and if that is not going to happen, the market maker is thinking that we are going to drop it, okay. This is the area we should be careful near about 23,000 to 24,000, 23,000 50 to 23,400 range, okay. So this is the possibilities we can see for Bitcoin in coming hours or days, okay. It can take some hours. So this is a high time frame chart, and if I show you in small time frame chart, this is the chart. So it will let you know that what kind of movement I am expecting, okay. I'm expecting that we're not going to break this line, okay. We are not going to break 22,000, okay, maximum this line, okay. We cannot like, I don't think we're going to break it right now, okay. What we can do, we can just need to go a little bit up and grab some liquidity from the upside, then we can just drop, okay. So this is the possibilities, and this is the area where I am expecting that we will take some retracement there. And I don't think Wyckoff model is happening. Many people was claiming that, but I'm not expecting that part, okay. So this is the area, okay, now where Bitcoin takes some reversal and go to the downside. But for that, nothing is confirmed yet, and no one knows where the market is going. You guys know that probably. So this is I was expecting, but this movement from yesterday, and I was expecting that we are going to 23,000. Okay, but I could not able to long from this range. Okay, I was longed, but two times, but I just longed out, just cut my trade before the high broke, okay, and tried to short with very small amount, but it did not work. So market makers thinking to grab some liquidity above the line, okay. So that is my expectation right now. And guys, always be careful with trading. Do not trade too much. Try to protect your capital. Sometime no trade is also a trade, okay. So be careful, guys. Have a great day.